Hi, criminal defense attorney Max FrizWoods here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about probation. What is it? How does it work? This video should answer most of your general questions about probation. In another video I'll discuss probation violations. So, how does probation work? Probation is an agreement between you and your sentencing judge that you'll do something in exchange for some suspended sentence. So, starting from there, what is a suspended sentence? Let's use Bob. Bob has committed the act of assault in the second degree here in Maryland and entered a plea of guilty. At his sentencing, however, the judge does not put Bob in jail. The judge places Bob on probation. The judge sentences Bob to 10 years, which is the maximum for second-degree assault, but suspends the time. When I explain probation to many of my clients, I like to use the gruesome analogy of the guillotine. It paints a good picture. As you can imagine, Bob is the gentleman, his head is in the guillotine, and the blade has been hoisted up over him. It's been suspended. As long as Bob completes the terms of his probation, for whatever length that probationary term is, the blade will never drop. And that's how probation works. The judge agrees to suspend a jail sentence, which could become active if you don't comply. What are you complying with? Well, that depends on what type of probation you're on. Probation in Maryland comes in two forms, supervised and unsupervised. Unsupervised is rather easy to explain. You're not reporting to an agent, you're not reporting to anybody, and nobody is supervising you. You may still have to do things like pay a restitution through your attorney, some community service, but you're not reporting to the Department of Parole and Probation. Supervised probation, on the other hand, is different. It requires you to report to a probation agent at a probation office in your county, probably in the same court building where you received the probation. Supervised probation generally comes with standard conditions and special conditions. Standard conditions are effective on everybody unless your judge says otherwise, and special conditions are not effective on anybody unless the judge imposes them on you. Some of the common standard conditions include reporting and following your agent's instructions, working or attending school, getting permission from your agent before changing your address, leaving the state of Maryland, changing your job, obeying all laws, notifying your agent if you're charged with a criminal offense, not having any dangerous weapons or firearms without permission from the court, permitting your agent to visit your home, appearing in court when necessary, paying all fines, costs, and fees, and, most importantly, not threatening or abusing your agent. Special conditions, on the other hand, come in a variety of different forms. It could be anything from drug evaluation and treatment, alcohol evaluation and treatment, registering as a sex offender, staying away from certain people or certain locations, engaging in other types of therapy, doing community service. It could basically be whatever the judge and you agree upon. Now, I say you have to agree because at the end of every probation, you have to agree to take probation. If you refuse probation, well, you could just have the sentence that was suspended over you. So, I hope that's cleared up a little bit about what probation is. Probation comes in a length. That term is set by your judge. Here in our district courts, the maximum are 3 years, and in circuit courts, the maximum are 5 years. Well, they can be extended for restitution purposes. If you have any further questions about probation, you should probably direct it to the attorney that represented you when you were placed on probation. Good luck.